Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of this Python interview questions sequence of videos, already we covered up to question number 31. Now, the next question what we have is 32. Let us discuss about this question. In this question, we need to talk about concatenation operation. Explain about concatenation of a string, how you can able to do concatenation in list, how you can do concatenation in tuple. These things we are going to do because anyway we can't do concatenation with dictionary and set. Okay, then what is concatenation of a string? See, we can use plus operator to perform to perform concatenation to perform concatenation of two string objects, or two list objects or two tuple objects. If we want to do this, both arguments must be either string or list or tuple. So sir, first argument is a string, second argument is integer. Can I do concatenation like Java? No. Here, if you want to perform this concatenation operation, please make sure that both arguments should be what type? List type or tuple type or string type. Then only we can do. If you want, just I will demonstrate with one small program. Have a look once. I am taking first string as ABCD, second string as okay, WXYZ, like this. I have one integer variable called 3. Can I do S1 plus S2? Yes. The result is nothing but first object concatenated with second object. The result is ABCD WXYZ. Like this we are getting. Suppose if I want to do S1 plus I, immediately we are going to get error message. What is that error message? Can only concatenate string to string. I can concatenate a string with another string, but not integer. Like that, we are getting error message. This is nothing but what is mean by concatenation with respect to string. Now I want to talk about list. Suppose if you take one list with elements 10, 20, 30. Now I am taking another list L2 with elements 40 and 50. Can I do L1 plus L2? Happily we can do. So the elements present in the first set adding with elements present in the second set. Can I take L1 plus 3? No. Can only concatenate list to list, not with an integer. Like that we are getting. So what is the conclusion here? We can use this plus operator to perform concatenation of a string list. Even we can try this for tuple also. If you take T1 is equal to, assume I am taking 10, 20, 30, and T2 is equal to, I am taking 80 and then 90, like this. Can I do T1 plus T2? Happily we can take. Can I take T1 plus 11? No. A concatenate operation, if you want to do, both arguments must be tuple type. Otherwise, we will get error. Okay. Now, sir, can I do this with sets? Suppose if you take set is equal to 10, 20, like these two elements. S2 is equal to, I am taking 30, 40, 50. Can I do concatenation of these two set objects? No. Because do you know order is not preserved, right? Then how you can able to do concatenation? It is not possible. Like that, we are going to get error message. This is nothing but the question how we are going to do concatenation operation. I hope you people understood this concept clearly. Thank you, friends.